Welcome back to Design Coach. In this video, I'll show you how to create these trending kitten heel designs in minutes using Repsketch. Repsketch is a free online software for designing, customizing, and transforming product ideas into captivating 3D designs. On the platform, this design process is broken down into 3 simple steps: repurpose, remix, and render. Step 1. Repurpose. To begin, we'll expedite the process by exploring our design library. Using the search bar, let's look for ballerina sketches. Repsketch has this vast library of vector sketches contributed by a community of professional designers. This women's mule flats design will be great as our starting point. So let's click on this edit button to repurpose this sketch and customize it in the next step. Step 2. Remix. Now we have our base sketch ready on the canvas, so let's remix this to align with our design requirements. As you can see, Repsketch offers this super user-friendly online vector editor for seamless customization. Now navigate to the Components pane, and inside this footwear category, look for Sole section. Repsketch furnishes a repository of readily available design components, great for inspirations and speed up the customization. This heel sole with straps is precisely what we need, so let's drag it into our workspace. Ungroup the mule design, extract the upper part, and drag it onto this sole component. Slightly rotate and resize to fit the front of the sole. Double-click on the object to reveal the vector nodes and refine the design by repositioning and adjusting the node handles for a seamless fit at the sides. Further, add or delete nodes as needed. Utilize the Create or Edit Path tool to sketch the interior corner of the footwear upper. Double-click on the seam lines to expose the vector nodes again and extend the seams on both sides until the mule's upper is covered. Ungroup the heel and use multiple design objects to swiftly apply color using the Color tool. Now, select the inside of heels, sole, and other objects that will cast shadows and fill in a darker hue of the base color. Our first kitten heel variation is now complete. Next, drag and select all the design objects, duplicate and group them as we progress to our second variation. Let's head back to the Component pane and look up for an embellished pattern. This floral pattern should work great, so let's drag it in. Ungroup it, change the color to match the base sketch, and place it in the center. Seems we have our other design variation ready. Moving on to the third one, I'll start with duplicating this one. Change the strap on this design by looking for one in the Component pane. The ankle strap component is an ideal choice, so let's use it. Edit the group, fill in the color to match the base, delete the older strap, and place the new one at the sole. Finish by pulling a bow decorative trim from the Component pane, rotate, ungroup, fill in the color, and our third variation is ready. Duplicate this to create the final one. Change the bow to the classic ballerina bow found earlier in the decorative trim section of the Components pane. Edit the group, fill in the color, resize, and place it in the center. That's it. Here we have a collection crafted effortlessly by repurposing designs and components, showcasing the power of repurposing. To conclude, proceed to the Design Properties section. Provide a name, description, and relevant tags for your sketch. Step 3. Render. Now it's time to transform your sketch into a stunning 3D image. Head to your profile, open the view page of your sketch, and click this magic wand icon to unleash the AI capabilities. Customize or add a new prompt, hit Generate, and witness the magic. Experiment with different prompts to integrate your designs into tech packs or present them in your design meetings. That's how Repsketch swiftly turns your ideas into realistic images. Subscribe for more tutorials and feel free to share your questions or feedback in the comment section.